Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikey and this is my channel. You know, it has been a really long winter break, let's be honest. It was tough 2020, tough winter break, but finally, honestly, it's March. It's not like summer yet, but we are looking forward to it. After a really long time from last year, we are going to continue in this motovlogs, in this channel dedicated to this passion, to this hobby, to this love, which I share with my really good friend King Julian Moto. You can check his channel. It will be in a pop-up banner right up there, so you can go and check. He is really close to 300 subs, probably over, I would say. I really believe he is over 300 right now, but you know, he can grow. He has really good potential and he's really working hard on this, right? So go check his channel. It's really great stuff. I'm gonna be a part of it. We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff together, and that's something which I want to talk about. It's like plans for 2021, you know. So yo, listen up. Not to forget R6, which is kind of like old slash brand new 2004 R6, which is part of this channel from the beginning, honestly. As you can see, Mikey R6, it's kind of like you know, that brand when you combine two things like me and my bike, right? So that's the second gen of our Yamaha R6, which is 600cc obviously, and it's kind of like a old slash brand new, because honestly I crashed it, right? I crashed it last year. I was on a track. We can talk about it a little bit more, because you know, it's not a lot of stuff to do today, honestly, with this whole COVID-19 stuff. I done some stuff, custom paint job, kind of like a, you know, Harley Quinn, if you know what I mean. Done some stickers on the side, you know, gotta be racy style, if you feel me. So kind of changed up. Don't look at the gas tank, that's totally like damn, just, you know, don't look at this one. It's running like a brand new bike, honestly. It's so incredible, and I still love it. I still love it so much. I can't say what's going to happen in 2021, but I'm really thinking to turn this bike into the race bike, like a track-oriented bike, like, you know, pegs to be changed, slicks to put on, a quick shifter to be installed, stuff like that, you know. I don't know how it's going to go, because it has been a tough year, but we can talk about it a little bit more. So let's just fire this up and we'll see how it sounds. So okay, but before this, cue the intro. So as I promised, we back to the bike. Let's just fire it up and listen up. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the R6 2004. Oh my god. Oh, I'm still so in love. Shit. Okay, gents, let's take it for a spin, shall we? So we can pop the first gear and we can go for a ride. So if you really noticed and you've been on King Julian Moto channel, it's really possible that you were able to see me, obviously, on R6, just riding along. In his last upload, we were actually outside, so I wanted to name this video as the first ride of 2021, but you know, I don't want to lie, y'all, guys, just I don't want to do that. So this is not actually my first ride. This is like third one, right? First one, it was like I told my buddy
I didn't want to do anything on YouTube on the first ride. It was like after like really long time, after 2020, I was able to sit on my bike back and to be able to go out with it, you know? And I wanted to be that special. Like, I didn't want to ruin this whole thing with a putting camera on, with a setting audio on, setting everything up and thinking what to say and what to do. I just didn't want to do that. I just wanted to go outside and do my thing and just enjoy it, if you feel me. I know a lot of y'all just hanging out, riding, that's all that matters, right? So I didn't want to go out and destroy it. So that was actually my first ride. Then, that was the second one. We went out and we were like, okay, it's March, so let's just hang out. Let's go somewhere interesting and see how it goes. And actually, after like 15 minutes, yo, I'm serious, after 15 minutes, it started to rain. And I was like, really? It's gotta be something really wrong with this world. I'm like finally getting on my second ride, and my butt was freezing. Okay, it wasn't that bad. It was like 15 degrees Celsius, maybe less, maybe like 10. The water was dripping from me, you know, my butt was freezing. Everything went hell. And I was like, really? You just couldn't wait for like another, like, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours? No, it couldn't. Anyway, I had my camera with me. I had my, you know, recorder with me. Everything was set up. And I just didn't want to do that. You feel me? I was like, oh, hell no, man.
Oh, hell no.
What I'm going to talk about, like how shitty the day is, how cold I am. No, it ain't worth it, you know? It ain't worth it. So I just said, just screw it all. I'm not going to do that. So that was my second ride. Oh, red one. So that was the second ride, which was supposed to be fun. It wasn't. Anyway, this is the third one. I told my buddy I just want to go outside and just do something like the intro. Why does he have like hazard lights on? Like, why?
It's a green one.
Whee!
We'll see how it goes.
A few moments later.
Okay, that was neutral. Well, yeah, I'll let you know. I'm telling you, I'm like third time on the bike this year, so I'm going to take it really slow. And I just want to tell y'all, if you go out after really long break like me, like I'm talking that serious, like 4 months or 5 months maybe. I'm not really sure. I stopped counting after 5 days.
Honestly, it wasn't that much fun. So if you are prepping yourself to go out, to take your bike out and to take it for a ride, just listen up. It ain't worth it to smash it full throttle at the beginning. You're stiff, the bike is stiff. You have to get to know each other again a little bit. So it ain't a good idea to just go full balls. You feel me? It's like you're gonna get killed in first month. Nobody wants that, man. Your bike is too precious to do that. So just take it easy. I'm gonna take it easy. No wheelies, like that I know how to do them, right? But no wheelies, no funny business. It ain't worth it. So I'm gonna take it slow. I'm gonna take it according to law, so everybody on YouTube will be very happy. Okay, but I gotta take this one. You didn't see that, okay? So just getting used to the bike, prepping myself to kind of live with it again.
when I was outside on the first or second time, I was like, this ain't my bike. I have no clue what I'm doing for the like first 5 minutes. I was like, where's the kickstand? How do I start this thing on? It's funny how everything can go blurry and you don't really know what you're doing again. But after a while, you sit on the bike, you get used to it, you start feeling that shaky movements in your butt. I'm talking like feeling the bike through your butt, because honestly, that's the truth, right? If you want to feel the bike, if you want to feel the car, eventually, it doesn't really matter what, but your butt, it's kind of like a sensor, right? So you actually want to feel that. And since you start feeling this thing and you start to thinking what you're doing, you're gonna get the rhythm and you're gonna get yourself back on the track where you've been before, and everything will be fine. But you know, everyone who takes a bike after a really long time should really think about it, how he's going to approach his first ride, you know? And my phone is vibrating. Somebody's calling me. Fucking hell. I cannot take that right now. I'm riding the bike. Leave me alone. I'm serious. Oh, Nissan GTR. That's so fucking incredible. Oh. Yep, that's my future dream car, by the way. I was thinking, I already been on a track for like 3 or 4 times. I already crashed on the track like once or twice. Actually once. Actually almost twice, but I didn't fall the second time. I just went to the gravel. I ended up in a gravel trap, which is really interesting story. And you know, as everybody said, it wasn't my fault. And actually it wasn't. You know, y'all listen up. The first one, it was my fault. I take the full, you know, ownership of this one. It was my freaking fault. And I just went through the first turn as Rossi, and actually didn't quite turn all the way. So I end up going to be wide and end up in a gravel trap. And if you go like 100 kph, you don't really get to drive in the gravel trap, right? So I kind of flipped the bike over. I kind of do some barrel rolls by myself, and it wasn't funny at all. And I had to kind of redo my bike a little bit. I got my turn signal destroyed totally. Actually, it was forgotten some way, the gravel trap. I didn't find it. My fairings took quite a big hit. It was a lot of scratches. Actually, it wasn't really destroyed. It was scratch all over the place. I took some sandpaper, I took some color in the spray cans, so I've redone my whole bike, kind of, except the gas tank, which is still on the list. I'm kind of hyped for 2021 season. I really hope I'm gonna get myself on a track bike, like probably this one. I'm just going to do some stuff to it. It could be interesting topic for the video, right? Like do the preparation on the street bike to race bike. I'm just gonna go out on a track bike or this bike or whichever bike, and to go on a track. I can take y'all on our track to see how it's looking, because you know every track is different. Every track has some sectors, let's say, which are really interesting and incredible. We have a couple of those. I already bought a GoPro, which will be put on the bike, so you're gonna get some on-track material, and I'm so thrilled about this. And King Julian might be, you know, tagging along. I'm not saying he is, and I'm not saying he is not. First of all, he has to get new tires, which is must. I'm saying Butlux S22 Bridgestone. Actually, I'm running Michelin tires. I don't really see many people to go with Michelin tires, honestly. I saw MotoGP bikes on Michelin tires, like every single one is on Michelin tires, which is interesting, because a lot of people are like, Pirelli tires, that's the one, or like Bridgestone, or Metzler or something. I have Michelin, and I cannot say they're bad. I cannot say they're great, because you know I'm not riding on the edge, really. You know, like knee down is nice. But I'm no Valentino Rossi out there, so it's fine for me for now. We'll see. And I'm stuck in a traffic jam, which sucks! This is a bad hour for doing this. But at least we can talk, you know? We can talk and I can try not to fall while standing up. Because I almost fell twice. What the shit. They just know each other, you know? The city is small. The guy in the car knows lady crossing the street. Like this is one big family. I was thinking what to say about it, you know, just family. I don't want to be rude or anything. So guys, let me know in the comments below what bike you have and what you're gonna do this 2021 season. If you have some incredible trip adventures, or you know, some track riding, or some buying a new bike or anything, just let me know, because you know the thing for two wheels, it's something, right? Like it's a privilege to be on two wheel. It's a privilege to fulfill this adrenaline motivated brain, you know. That was kind of overcomplicated. Never mind. Oh, that was neutral. I was expecting first gear, but never mind. It was almost as I wanted it. I just missed the gear. That was no problem. I still have front brakes. Yo, listen up. So it was my pleasure to ride today with y'all. Have a nice day, you know. Take it easy for those who was going to just take out your bikes. Just take it easy. And we'll see each other back soon on next video. So this was Mikey. Peace out.